Let's dive into this cool oncology tech called NIR-PIT, which just got the green light in Japan. It's been tested in over 150 patients and shows some promising anti-tumor effects and boosts the immune system. Real-world data from Japan shows it's well-tolerated and works well for folks with advanced cancers. We'll break down the science behind NIR-PIT, its market potential, and why it could be worth over $10 billion a year. Stick around to see what this game-changing treatment could mean for cancer care. The science behind NIR-PIT. So NIR-PIT stands for Near-Infrared Photoimmunotherapy, and it is a novel cancer therapy platform that combines the precision of monoclonal antibody targeting with the local cytotoxicity of photoactivation. This approach allows for highly selective killing of targeted tumor cells while sparing healthy tissue. NIR-PIT utilizes antibody protein conjugates, or APCs, which consist of a monoclonal antibody that targets a specific antigen on the surface of cancer cells linked to a near-infrared absorbing dye molecule. When exposed to near-infrared light, the dye molecule gets activated and transfers energy to the cancer cells, leading to their death. Importantly, this cell death is both rapid and highly efficient, inducing what we call type 2 or immunogenic cell death, which stimulates systemic anti-tumor immune responses. By combining direct tumor cell killing with immune stimulation, NIR-PIT offers a unique approach to cancer treatment that holds promise for both local and systemic therapeutic benefit. Clinical development landscape. The lead program, which is our M1929, also known as cetuximab IR700, it's an APC targeting epidermal growth factor receptor, or EGFR. Regulatory milestones include Japan's conditional approval in 2020 for ASP1929, used for tough-to-treat HNSCC. This therapy has already helped hundreds of patients outside clinical trials. Real-world data from Japan shows that ASP1929 is well-tolerated, with few side effects and great quality of life scores. A significant number of patients saw a reduction in tumor size just 2 to 4 weeks after treatment, making previously inoperable tumors eligible for surgery. Plus, it's often given as an outpatient procedure, fitting easily into standard care without heavy infrastructure costs. There are also hints that combining ASP1929 with repeat doses and immune checkpoint inhibitors could boost response rates and prolong survival, leading to new trials. Japan was the first to approve ASP1929, and it's got that orphan drug status, which means it can command a premium price, especially since there aren't many alternatives for patients. Real-world data from Japan shows it cuts costs down the line, like fewer hospital visits and surgeries. We might see a hybrid reimbursement model pop up, similar to how radiopharmaceuticals and CAR-T therapies are priced. Right now, ASP1929 is for recurrent HNSCC patients, but trials are expanding its use to HER2-positive breast cancer, lung cancers, and more. These studies are key for future approvals and could really boost market opportunities. Plus, they're looking into combo therapies that use the immune-boosting effects of NIR-PIT. There are 3 key innovators and stakeholders involved in the NIR-PIT platform. First, Rakuten Medical, formerly known as Aspirion Therapeutics, is the company that is developing ASP1929 and the 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 platform. Second, Biomolecular Therapeutics, or BMT, is focused on designing next-generation APCs for solid tumors. And third, Sony and Shimadzu are collaborating with BMT to create the medical-grade near-light delivery systems. Canon Medical Systems is also exploring the integration of real-time image-guided delivery to further improve precision and scalability. What is the market potential? So the market potential for NIR-PIT is vast. We estimate that the initial commercial indication of recurrent HNSCC alone presents an annual global market opportunity ranging from $800 million to $1.2 billion. This is driven by the orphan status of the indication and the high unmet need in the patient population. However, expanding to other biomarker-defined segments in breast, lung, and GI cancers may unlock a market of $5 to $7 billion. The real-world data from Japan showing durable responses and safety in a broad range of patients is a testament to the potential of this technology. As more data emerges and the technology matures, the market potential could reach over $10 billion annually, particularly if companion diagnostics are developed to guide therapy and further real-world evidence is collected to demonstrate long-term survival and quality of life benefits. In conclusion, the NIR-PIT platform represents a promising development in the field of oncology. With its strong clinical trial data and positive real-world evidence from Japan, this technology has the potential to transform the treatment landscape for various cancers. The unique approach of combining targeted cell killing with immune stimulation holds great promise for patients who currently have limited treatment options. The successful commercialization of ASP1929 in Japan also highlights the feasibility and desirability of bringing this therapy to patients worldwide. To fully realize the potential of NIR-PIT, continued research, clinical trials, and global market access initiatives are crucial. By investing in this technology and addressing the strategic considerations discussed, we can bring this innovative cancer treatment to more patients in need.